All right, commandment number 7 is thou shalt not commit adultery. So a lot of people know that as if you're married, not cheating, or if you're single, not getting with someone who is married. So why would God tell us not to commit adultery? Well, it's because he is faithful. So he wants to teach us through this commandment that being faithful versus being unfaithful is a more godly and righteous way to be. I have a lot of verses on this one, so I'm just going to pinpoint one specifically, and I'll put the rest in the comments for you to take a look at as well. So in Matthew, again, we're going to roll back to chapter 5, which is the Sermon on the Mount. And Yeshua takes it a step farther than just don't cheat, don't commit adultery. He says in Matthew 5, starting in verse 27, you have heard that it was said, you shall not commit adultery, but I say to you that everyone who looks at a woman or a man with lustful intent has already committed adultery with her in his heart. So that being said, it goes farther than just the actions. It goes for the heart. Yeshua and the Lord are looking at our hearts. And for us to truly surrender our flesh for him, we do need to really have our hearts worked on through him. His spirit is what helps change us and transform us. So yeah, and then I'll include the other verses that I have for that in the comments. Another really good one is Proverbs chapter 31, verses 10 through 31. A lot of people consider that as the Proverbs 31 woman, but it could go also for a man as well. A lot of the characteristics that are described are just as valid for a man as they are for a woman, although they are specified for a woman. So yeah, let's be faithful.